Matapos harangin sa plenary session noong Lunes, natuloy din ang planong talumpati ni Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste sa sesyon ng Kamara araw ng Martes, May 5. Matitinding aligasyon ang ibinato nito laban kina Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, Mrs. na si Batangas Governor Vilma Santos Recto at Construction Workers Solidarity Party List Representative Edwin Garjola. Kabilang na ang umano'y ginawang paggastos sa probinsya para sa eleksyon noong 2025. Kaya nanawagan pa ito sa Kamara na imbestigahan ang issue.
Ayon sa aking tansya at pananiliksik, mahigit 1 billion pesos ang ginastos ni Congressman Edwin Garjola para kay Vilma Santos Recto at Lucky Manzano sa iba pa nilang mga kandidato at sa sarili niya bilang first nominee ng CWS party list sa 2025 elections. Ang mga politiko sa Batangas ay maaaring tumestigo na dahil si Governor Vilma Santos ay nasa Kapitolyo, si Executive Secretary Ralph Recto sa Malacanang at suportado sila ni Congressman Garjola, kompleto ang makinarya para gawing negosyo ang Batangas. Kaya baka hindi lang 1 bilyon ang nagastos na ni Garjola para sa mga Recto.
Gayunman, mariin namang tinutulan ni House Assistant Majority Leader at Batangas 6th District Representative Ryan Recto ang mga aligasyon ni Congressman Leviste laban sa kanyang pamilya. Ang nakababatang Recto ay anak ni na E.S. Recto at Batangas Governor Vilma Santos Recto. Bukod sa kanya, kinontra rin ng iba pang kongresista ang mga ginawang pahayag ni Leviste.
Hindi po dapat ginagamit ang plenaryong ito upang lahat na mga haka-haka o paratang na walang sapat na basehan. On the alleged ties between Congressman Edwin Garjola and Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, their association is purely professional, as Congressman Garjola is also a member of the House of Representatives and a fellow Batangueño. There are no personal interests involved. Walang katotohanan ang mga alegasyon ni Congressman Leviste na mayroon silang may mga maanumalyang transaksyon. Fake news po yan, Mr. Speaker.
Unfortunately, I do not abide by comments of the good congressman from Batangas. I think it's totally uncalled for and baseless. And in fact, it's downright hearsay for him to make such allegations. And if indeed he has factual basis in anything and everything that he is saying, there were proper forums to do the same.
Tinangkaring ipaalis sa talaan ang buong privilege speech ni Representative Leviste, pero tinutulan ito ng Batangas congressman.
To strike off from the record the allegation that other regions outside of Calabarzon are actually spending more than areas within Calabarzon. I think that is not based on fact. That is not based on truth. It should be stricken out of the record. That is the first point of order.
Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker.
please respond to the point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the comments made earlier.
Is there any objection to the motion? Chair hears none. Said motion is carried.
Second point of order, Mr. Speaker. The speech by the good congressman from Batangas doesn't appear to be a speech relating to personal and collective privilege. It has branched out to matters that are outside of it. So I think even this particular speech in its entirety should be stricken off the record, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader, there's another point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the...
Mr. Speaker, I object.
There was a motion, duly objected. Duly objected. We now put the motion into a vote to strike out entirely the privileged speech of the
Personal and collective.
personal and collective privilege of the Honorable Leviste. All those in favor, please say aye. Aye. All those against, please say nay.
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 The ayes have it. Said the motion is now approved.
Sorry, I object. I
Mr.
think there were
Speaker.
a lot of nays as well. Can we have a roll call vote?
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session.
Session suspended.
Matapos ang ilang minutong suspension, inamyendahan ang mosyon at sa halip ay pinabura na lang ang mga bahagi ng talumpating hindi suportado ng dokumento at ebidensya.
Kanina po ay narinig natin ang motion ni Honorable Terry Ridon moving that the speech of the Honorable Leviste be stricken out of the records because it's not a matter of personal and collective privilege. May I appeal to the Honorable Terry Ridon that this motion be instead amended to a motion to delete the statements made by the Honorable Leviste attributing to statements not being backed up by evidence. Specifically, the statements alleging that the campaign of Governor Recto
Mr. Speaker.
and other members of
Mr.
the party were financed by another party list congressman, and all other allegations that cannot be backed up by documents and evidence.
Mr. Speaker.
Is there any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There
object.
was a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears none.
I object. I object.
Objection.
Let's
Because
put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders of
those
my
in
district
favor
for
of
Vilma
the
and Lucky.
motion of the Honorable Garin, please say
Politicians
aye.
of Batangas can test.
Aye!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried. Honorable Majority Leader.
May I proceed with my interpellation, Mr. Speaker?
Objection, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader.
Privilege speech po yan. Bakit kailangan i-attach yung ebidensya agad?
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, session suspended.
Session suspended.
May punto namang namagitan na ang presidential son na si House Majority Leader at Ilocos Norte 1st District Representative Sandro Marcos. Ito ay matapos humirit sa plenaryo si House Senior Deputy Minority Leader at mamayang Liberal Party List Representative Leila De Lima.
So I was telling him, can you please withdraw that particular portion because we find it offensive. For the record, this representation does not engage in any vote buying in any elections, including the last elections of 2025. And I remember Representative Leviste saying that he is willing to withdraw that particular portion. So may we ask Representative Leviste if in fact that is the case, that he has withdrawn, that he is withdrawing that portion because it has no basis, it has no evidence, it's purely speculative, it's offensive, it's unfair to everybody here in this hall. Can we have the answer, please? Because that
I
is a
request the
parliamentary
Majority Leader
inquiry.
to respond.
Mr. Speaker, while we appreciate the sentiments of the Honorable Leila De Lima, I believe part of what she was espousing with regards to the contents of the speech was already part of the motion that be stricken off. Was already part of the motion in which parts of the speech be stricken off in which there was no basis, fact, or evidence.
Samantala, naglabas naman ng matinding pahayag sa Executive Secretary Recto laban kay Leviste. Anya, ayaw niya sanang patulan ang mga kasinungalingan ng isang umano'y kulang sa pansin, kulang sa pag-iisip at kulang sa pagmamahal. Inaakusahan din ito si Leviste ng massive vote buying operation sa Batangas. Dagdag pa ni E.S. Recto. Ang mga alegasyon sa kanya ni Leviste ay para umano pagtakpan ang 24 billion pesos na halaga ng multang ipinataw dito bunsod ng umano'y Go Solar Projects. Naglalagay lang din umano si Leviste ng mali siya sa koneksyon nila ni Representative Garjola. Giit ng Malacanang official, wala siyang ghost projects. Rosa Licuz humahataw sa balita ngayon.